When your Xbox suddenly can't find your Wi-Fi network, it can feel like everything just stops. No online games, no downloads, no streaming. What makes it more frustrating is that other devices in your home might still connect perfectly, leaving you wondering what went wrong. This issue can happen for several reasons, like temporary network glitches, incorrect settings, signal problems, or even something as simple as your router not broadcasting properly. The good thing is that in most cases, it's not a serious problem and can be fixed with a few quick checks. Once you go through the right steps, your network should appear again, and your Xbox will reconnect without any hassle. Try these. Step 1. Restart your Xbox console by turning it off and unplugging it for about 30 seconds. Step 2. Restart your Wi-Fi router and wait until the internet is fully back online. Step 3. Move your Xbox closer to the router to ensure a strong signal. Step 4. Go to settings is greater than network settings and select set up wireless network. Step 5. Choose rescan for networks to refresh the available Wi-Fi list. Step 6. If still not visible, manually enter your Wi-Fi network name and password.